To install and run VBScript, Visual Basic Script on Windows, you don't need to install any additional software because it's already included in the Windows operating system. VBScript is a scripting language developed by Microsoft and is commonly used for automating tasks in Windows environments. Here's how you can start writing and running VBScript code. Writing and running VBScript. 1. Open Notepad. You can use any text editor, but Notepad is commonly used for scripting on Windows. Open Notepad by searching for it in the Start menu or by pressing Windows key R to open the Run dialog, then type Notepad and press Enter. 2. Write VBScript code. In Notepad, write your VBScript code. For example, VBScript Hello World, VBScript example, Box Hello World. 3. Save the file. Save the file with a VBS extension. For example, hello.vbs. Make sure to select all files in the Save as Type drop-down menu to avoid adding a .txt extension inadvertently. 4. Run the VBScript. Double-click on the save.vbs file. This will execute the VBScript code, and you should see a message box displaying Hello World. Using VBScript in Visual Studio Code, optional. If you prefer using Visual Studio Code VS Code for editing and managing your scripts, you can follow these steps. 1. Install Visual Studio Code. If you haven't already, download and install Visual Studio Code from the official website, Visual Studio Code /code.visualstudio.com/. 2. Open Visual Studio Code. Launch Visual Studio Code on your Windows system. 3. Install VBScript syntax highlighting extension. Although Visual Studio Code does not have native support for VBScript, you can install an extension that provides syntax highlighting for better code readability. Search for VBScript in the Extensions view, Ctrl-Shift-X, and install a suitable extension. 4. Write and save VBScript files. Write your VBScript code in Visual Studio Code and save the files with a .vbs extension. You've now learned how to install and run VBScript on Windows. Whether you're automating tasks, creating scripts for system administration, or experimenting with Windows scripting, VBScript provides a powerful and flexible solution. With its built-in support in Windows and optional integration with Visual Studio Code, you have the tools you need to write and run VBScript code effectively. Subscribe to Fix Me Master for more tech tips and tutorials. Until next time, happy coding!